play. Such a mighty fine day. Hello and welcome again. We've got a great exercise today, and I have some rhythm going for it. Yep, we started again. Now listen to the exercise. That's the exercise. I'm going to do it on ah, but you can do it on any vowel you want. You can add a word or a consonant in front of the vowel. Also, I'm going to go low, then I'm going to stop, and I'm going to go a little bit higher. So we're going to get low voices in here, and then we're going to move to some high voices, and I'm going to go into the middle. All right, all the time we're going to have our rhythm going. Aha, here we go. Okay, now remember, keep your mouth open, have the sound come off the roof, and smile. Oh my gosh. Sing it loud. I didn't take it up high. So now I'm going to take it over here. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Start it again so that I have enough. I don't know whether I repeated it enough, my little riff there. We're going to be right, let's see. Right about there, here we go. Now remember, you can do this in falsetto or head. Both of those were falsetto or head. Or you can do it in chest voice if you want. I'm going to take it up here so that if you want to do chest, you can do it right here. Let's start down. 1, 2, 3, go! nice and high all the way down. Remember when you're going down, if you are, stop honey, if you are in falsetto or head, don't have a big changeover into chest voice. Gradually go in. Keep your sound very, very similar as you're going down. Okay, we're going to start this baby again. Let's see, where should we start? Oh, well there. And let's start again. Really, really. 2, 3. Keep the mouth open. 2 more. Okay, there you go. That is it. Oh my gosh, right at the end. I can't, sometimes I'm thinking about what I want to say and the hand goes, "You're not taking care of me, honey." Well, tell me, what did you like about the exercise? Were you able to utilize it with another vowel? Was it a problem when you went up high? Was it a problem going down low? How about in the transition areas where you're transitioning from the falsetto or head into the chest area and you have a hard time, or it's just hard to get the high notes, or you enjoyed the whole thing, you were thrilled to do a nice wide range from up high and going down. Whatever it is, leave a comment, let me know, okay? It's so nice to see you again. Cause it's such a day, such a mighty fine day. Should I do it with this? Let's see. Such a day, such a mighty fine day. I love the rhythm. Do you like the rhythm? Leave a comment, let me know. I've got a whole bunch of them. So, See you next time, but don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell. Have a great singing day. Bye.